In the silence beneath the city, Aiden wakes to a world that seems ordinary, yet hides extraordinary secrets. A cherished friend is lost to a moment of rupture in time, a haunting memory that fuels Aiden's journey. Nightmares blend with reality as time itself begins to unravel, hinting at a deeper decay. Emerging into a pulsating urban freeze, Aiden confronts a city caught in a relentless time loop. In the split of despair and memory, Aiden feels the dual pressures of his past and his uncertain future. Embracing his unique gift, Aiden faces a challenge that tests both his control and his compassion, aware that every power bears a price. At the pinnacle of destiny, sacrifice and resolve intertwine. His gift becomes a lifeline to mend a fractured timeline. In a quiet communion with the memory of Lily, Aiden learns that time is not a cage, it is a choice, a truth that reshapes his inner battle. As time stitches itself anew, Aiden becomes an echo, a sacrifice that restores balance, leaving the tale of Chrono Drifter as an eternal mystery.